Hello guys, patang 90s toys. This one ito. Try with. New toy. This is from there in this tindahan. It's a little bit tricky, so it's easy to break. See? So you wanna spin it like this. See? It broke. So I'm gonna fix it. So how to fix this, guys? So it's so easy. So get your this and put that. So I will watch the video. So guys, sorry for that, guys. This is my
Jen! Pabatian na kay nagila ko, papiminawa yung mama. Oh? Sige, papaminawa yung mama din. Wala kahilak. Wala ka mahilak, no?
Padulong pa daw si mama.
Pahit patanawa, kay kahilak.
Mama!
Paminawa.
Wapan pa daw si mama, te.
Paminawa.
Yan.
Tanaw kailing, no? Hindi na mahilak kailing, no? Wala hilak-hilak, no? Kailing, no?
Waa! Ito anakin, di na mo ito dari. Ito anakin, di na mo ito dari. Nagtuna. Hindi ko mama.
Sorry guys, I will fix this. So
Dagan minimum.
So it's easy to fix.
Dagan mi dada. Madala ko
Just
ba?
wait guys. Bye.
Balon ako!